I just walked up here because I saw that we were under evacuation warning, so I wanted to see how bad it was. I know that sounds stupid, but yeah, I just wanted to see how bad it was and see if we needed to get out. When we walked down to the corner, I actually started tearing up. It's really scary. I know it's scarier for people who lost their homes, but it's really scary to think that it's that close to us.
There's a fire right outside our car. We gotta, no, not that way, Dad. Okay, Dad. What? Okay, grab this pole. We go.
Go. Benji, this way. Yeah. Come on.
Turned around and there was a plume of smoke just like rolling over the mountain, like right behind us. It was probably only about 50 feet away from us, and we quickly like got our stuff, ran down from the rock. It was terrifying to like feel like you're, you know, running for your life in a situation like that.
Gas lines are on fire.